Ogunshimori Olushola Emmanuel is my name.
My name is Mrs. Oladuni Ayobanjo Ondo.
My name is your name an indigenous of Ilaje, a good son of Ilaje land.
Julius Oluwasegun Ọmọ Baba Debawo.
Mrs. Olokun Kodijat, but I'm a bona fide Ilaje lady. My name is family
My name is Maha Olatukumbo, popularly known as Adoni Onigigara.
Okay, before I answer your question about those we are inviting and those who are qualified to
Good evening, how are you?
Fine, may I know your name, sir?
My name's Reverend Olajuda Kiyomi.
Ogunshimori Olushola Emmanuel is my name. A bona fide member of IDSG and a co-chair of Women and Youth Development in Ilaje land. Well,
I'm Mrs. Olokun Kodijat, but I'm a bona fide Ilaje lady from the family of Erukubami in Obenla.
You follow us on our Instagram handle at Ilaje TV.
Oh, well, as the theme of the summit goes, my expectation is bringing together all relevant stakeholders to take Ilaje to a greater height.
Orúkọ tèmi Julius Oluwasegun Ọmọ Baba Debawo.
Clement Logo by name, an indigenous of Ilaje race, and this is one of the most important cause since I have become an adult as far as this nation is concerned, because I've never seen something of this nation. It is a kind of thing that is very unique, and that is why I decided to be a member of IDSG.
Ilaje TV.
Okay, before I answer your question about those we are inviting and those who are qualified to attend the event, let me paint a scenario, or let me digress a little into some kind of a rumor that we are hearing from some quarters. Let me clear that first. What I want to say is this summit is about Ilaje. I've been hearing from some quarters, let me say grapevine news, that we want to use it to bring in or to campaign for the governor, that the governor is the one sponsoring us, that the governor is this and is that. But what I want to say is this: please and please, they ọmọ Ilaje àjọ mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. This summit that we are going to hold in Akure, it is not political in any way. It is not political. The governor of Ondo State is the governor of Ondo State. He's the governor of APC. He's the governor of PDP. He's the governor of AA. He's the governor of all political parties. Because if you are from Owo and you belong to AA, you are still an Ondo indigene. That's qualifying him to be your governor.
What are we expecting from you guys next month?
Glory. The summit will be a bombshell. The summit will be a beginning of a new dawn in the nation of Ilaje, in the history of Ilaje nation. It will be a beginning of a new thing. To be a reinvention, a reinvention of Ilaje nation, a kind of renaissance, a change. To be a process that will make Ilaje, that will reposition Ilaje, in the map or in the history of nations in Africa. The summit is a gathering of Ilaje best brains, relevant stakeholders that will come together to discuss the way forward, to discuss how to get Ilaje from the oblivion. Many people have been doing these things individually. Some groups will come and they will try their best, but this time around, we are going to see a citizen-led, citizen-driven project where we participate in discussing the challenges, then provide solution to that will be sustainable. And it will be a pro-government project where both the citizen, the government, and every other relevant stakeholders we participate, and we can have a sustainable development in Ilaje land. That will be a pride to the state government and to the federal government of Nigeria.
My name is Kunle Udishola. I'm a member of Ilaje Development Summit Group. Okay, Ilaje Development Summit is holding on the 23rd of November 2019 at Akure. It's basically to discuss and raise issues around what can grow the Ilaje land in terms of economy, in terms of finance, in terms of social infrastructures and whatnot. And we are bringing into the city of Akure people of significance in economy, in finance and administration in Nigeria.
Yes, the objective of the summit. Yeah, with the Ilajes, we've discovered for a very long time that we are let me just say one of the most pertinent risks as far as the Ondo State is concerned, even in general in Nigeria. There are a lot of things that we are lacking. And those things we've come to the round table that those are the things that if we are not ready to justify our cause or to carry our cause, to carry our cross ourselves, or really work towards the development, sustainable development of our land, there is nobody that's going to blow our trumpet for us. So we have decided that as a people should come together and make our land a development land among its peers. So that is one of the objectives of the summit.
This is the first summit that is going to come up. So we are looking towards it to be very exciting and well attended at the end of the day.
My name is Mrs. Oladuni Ayobanjo Ni Oyimbo.
All bona fide Ilaje sons and daughters are attending the meeting.
We have a lot of expectation in mind. For instance, this ISDSD, this program we're having in November, the main purpose of the program, our expectation is that after this program, we want to be able as Ilaje children to say that this is where we are and this is where we are going and this is how we are going to get to where we are going to. That is our expectation at the end of this program.
Who are the people attending?
Wow, every son and daughter of Ilaje land, wherever you are in the entire world, you are supposed to be in this meeting. You are supposed to be in this meeting.
Yeah, this is happening in Akure, the Dome, the best center we can think of right now. And I want to believe everybody knows where that dome is.
What do you want to tell the people? What do you like to tell the public about the summit?
What I will say to especially the Ilaje indigenes, I would say that this is the right time for you to contribute your own quota. Ilaje land is not in a state where an appreciable state. We are looking for a realm that we can be a pace setter. We can be the talk of every race as far as Nigeria is concerned. So we are calling on all the sons and daughters of Ilaje that now is the right time for you to come around, come and be part of this cause. And it's going to be a kind of program, a kind of thing that is going to we are looking at the larger picture. It's going to go a long way. You understand? We are going to rewrite the history of Ilaje and probably the history of Ondo State. And we are not limiting ourselves. So we are going to make sure we turn things around in all ramifications for the betterment of our nation, Ilaje.
My name is Maha Olatukumbo, popularly known as Aduni Onigegara.
It's a call for everyone, every child of every blood, no matter how small the blood is, as long as there's the tiniest blood of Ilaje in your bloodstream, you have to be in the meeting. The meeting is for every Ilaje children.
What do you want to tell the public about this IDSG?
I want to tell the public that this IDSG meeting is the way forward. You know, before now, we've always had this mindset that Ilaje people, they're backward, Ilaje people, they're non-educated. You know, when this idea just started, we now found out that we have prominent Ilaje people that are learned, that are well-read. We have thousands of professors that came out of Ilaje. We have masters, degree holders, doctorates, all sort of high-level individuals and intellectuals that are born of this Ilaje land. But we used to have this mentality that, okay, if we come home, this will happen to us. Because of that, most of us have pulled back. But now we find out that where are we running to? We have to be in our land. So because we have to be in our land, who is going to make this better for us? It is us. So we have to take the bulls by the hand, because we have waited for people. We have waited for our leaders. We have waited for politicians. We have waited for everybody. Nobody's making this happen. So we have to make it happen for ourselves. So by this, all Ilajes, when we come together, I will finish this deliberation. Now, it will put us on a better start. We will know that, okay, now this is where we are. With this forum, this is where we want to go. And this is how to achieve it. So we'll start from where we are to where we are going and how we're going to achieve it. So with that, I'm very sure that Ilaje will be great again.
What are we expecting from you or from the people?
We're expecting to see a future. We're expecting to see a master plan. We're expecting to see a gathering of people, both the young and the old, coming together to talk about the future of Ilaje. We are expecting people to come together to say their mind, and we are expecting a situation where people will understand what we really need, what we really want in Ilaje land. This is not just about it's a group of people, different individuals coming together to sit down and talk about enough is enough. We need to move forward as Ilaje people. We can't continue to be behind. We need to make ourselves great again.
What do you want to tell the public about this IDSG summit?
Yeah, I want to tell the public to watch out for this summit, and they should be part of it. It's something you don't want to miss. It's once in a lifetime experience. It's an experience you will be proud of as an Ilaje person. I am proud, in short, I am proud of being part of the Ilaje Development Summit Group, and I am also proud of being part of this summit, because the summit it's going to be a hit. It's going to be something that you will talk about forever in Ilaje land. It's a step forward, and you don't want to miss it as an Ilaje individual.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Okay, what is the objective of the summit?
The objective of the summit is to have a Bible. I call it a Bible, a book. Is to have a master plan, a regional development plan for Ilaje. Look at it. Different government has been trying their best. It's as if they are throwing their money, throwing their to the ocean. Because why? There's no master regional development plan. So we want to see what happens in Lagos. That when we have a regional development plan, every government that comes, we know what to do. Because the people themselves have yearned that this is where we need your help. So they will know where to put their little millions, their little billions to develop the land. Instead of scrambling or doing what is not expected of them. Like, for example, how can a government say is empowering Ilaje or developing Ilaje instead of doing a concrete iron jetty, and he went there or he's giving us a plank jetty. So this time around we have a regional development plan that covers the infrastructure development of Ilaje land, that covers the education, that covers the health insurance scheme, that covers the investment, how to empower the people. Instead of waiting for the government, we have enough resources, we have enough God-given resources, apart from crude oil. We have enough minerals that we can reinvent, manage, that will help the people to become self-reliant and develop their place or their environment without crying or fighting for the government.
Ṣé à ń rí ni àjọrò yẹ àfọ arajọ péjọ yájọ fọ jítù yìí ní ọjọ́ kẹtàlélógún oṣù ọ̀kànlẹ́gbà ìyámi àwọ̀nà rẹ̀ yìí òun akórajọ rìn òun adẹ̀fẹ́ fọ̀ níbẹ̀ àmì àbára wa gbìyàn ara foríro kan ríro ara finá kàná a tú èrò ara wa pa Ìlàjẹ jí ọwọ́ òun malẹ̀ fi mí tú ọgbọ́n oríro rẹ̀ sí rí ọ̀nà yìí tó lè máa ṣe jù ọ̀nà òun ní fúnra rẹ̀ bó bá dẹ̀ ti wá báyìí bí ọ̀fọ̀ bá ti dà pé ó yẹ jíyé ara tó ní àsìkò ìwọ̀n yẹ já jókòó rí já fọ́ jọ tán gbòhì jóhì gbò ẹ̀ ọ̀tán búbo ìwọ̀n kùn ní já lè má já lè bára wa fọ òtítọ́ ọ̀fọ̀ òdodo yíga náà ti sàn tè yíga nàmọ̀nà rẹ̀ yẹn bàbá jọ fọ́jọ́ bá jọ a lè jọ fi mú ohùn papọ̀ a lè kó dédé ẹrun jọ lójú kan a lè jọ mọ̀ pé èyí tà sá èyí tà wòdì báyìí àti fẹ́ nírin bàbá ti wá lè jọ pa ohùn papọ̀ yẹn Ìlàjẹ ra rìn òrìn wàrà dúró ara fọ̀ ọ̀fọ̀ wàrà wúlò bí a bá mímí wa láàrẹ̀ mi àkànlẹ̀ nítorí bẹ́ẹ̀ àpéjọ èyà fọ̀ yìí kì í ti IDSG ti ìjíròrò yà pé jájọ fọ̀ papọ̀ yìí àwọn ọba orí adé wa ŋan àwọn nẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ ànùkàn gbẹ̀dẹ́dọ́nà gbá àwọn eléégún rẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ àmì pé ŋan aka wà àjájọ kórajọ àjájọ fọ̀ ọ̀fọ̀ làjẹ́ dàn làjẹ́ ìyá fọwọ́ bìnẹ́ nẹ̀yìn yìí ó tó àwa lẹ́ẹ̀tọ́ ní lè gbé ògbè òjà ara wa lè tó òjà ara wa ìgbè jájọ fọ̀ àtẹ̀ra fọ̀ lójú olúwarun fún rẹ̀ bàbá kò lọ wájú dènà wọn jágbé náà wọn làgò ẹ̀rẹ́ oníkanukun ra gbọ́ wọn ní mẹ́ta lọ alétèkun aládìwò akàn àárẹ̀ akàn mẹ́ta ó tọ́fọ̀já kó wálé wá pín akàn ti pín ara rẹ̀ bí a bá ti jọ fọ̀ bó bá ti yé ara wa dédé rẹ̀ jọ náírà rẹ̀ yẹn ó yerun dédé rẹ̀ àwọn rẹ̀ yẹn adẹ̀ ń pè ń ọ̀nà yìí bá jó ní rẹ̀ nínú gẹ́gẹ́ bọ́ máa làjẹ́ pé ó tó àsìkò yìí ó yẹ já wa fúnra wa já fọwọ́ ara wa tú ilẹ̀ ara wa sí ẹ̀ẹ́tọ́ dúró dọ̀nẹ́ ká wá tájọ ra papọ̀ ó dẹ̀ ajú wa ṣe o ní àṣẹ alálẹ̀ ó rají wa ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kẹtọ́ ọlọ́run ọba ó rajẹ́ jọjọ́ yẹn kò àwọn orí adé wa ŋan àká wa tọ̀rọ̀tọ̀rọ̀ a fi pè ŋan rìn o bí àwọn bá jẹ́ wa jájọ fọ́ yóò gbọ́ ní ara ilẹ̀ làjẹ́ra lọ gbájú o ọlọ́run kàájí ṣe ń dédé wa ògbòrìkòdó ayé màfúgè làjẹ́ àwáyé o.
We are not here to know whether he's the governor of APC or all we know is he is the governor of Ondo State. And as a governor coming to support an association, or we are inviting him as a guest for an association summit that we want to head in Akure, it is for us, for him to know the plights of the Ilajes in Ondo State, what we are going through, because thoroughly either you believe it or not, they don't know us. We have not crossed the bridge across already. Jokes apart, we have not crossed it at all. So what I really want is that we should remove that notion from our mind. Let's focus on our summit. Let's focus on the plan of the summit, how Ilaje will be developed. Look at this example. When the sea incursion was coming, does it take only the PDP away from Ilaje and leave the APC members? The sea incursion doesn't know APC, it doesn't know PDP, it doesn't know AD. This is what we want to discuss. What will take us from where we are and take us up? We should compare our land. Those who have the same topography of Ilaje, we have to look at Norway, we have to look at Amsterdam, we have to look at Rotterdam in Holland, we have to look at Havana, we have to look at Florida. They are there. We have the same topography in nature. So why can't we be up like them? So this is what we want to discuss in Akure. So I'm using this opportunity to bring in all Ilaje. Once you are an Oma Ilaje, Homale, Buoti Bare, Yere, Bobatis Ilaje or Roikan. So everybody should come over there. Come and contribute your own. ọ̀rọ̀ iye bàmí ti fọjọ́ ẹ̀fọ́ ọpọlọ ọmọdé wọ́n lè gbórígo wọ́n lè fi rùn mọ́ jẹ́ màá ṣe òun ṣe tó. You by the riverine can be the one that will supply the knowledge that will take us out from where we are. So please, I'm begging all of you to come. Then about the summit itself, please, it's an association for even Omo Ilaje in diaspora to come. Let's meet ourselves. Let's know how many professors we have now. Let's know how many doctors Ilaje has. Let's know how many engineers Ilaje has. Let's know in the educational sector, in every sector, engineering, petrochemical, this and that. Let us know, because people feel when they say they are looking for opportunity, we are looking for a job. There will some who don't know us will just think that we are not qualified. Let us come out. Let them know that we have this material. We have best brain. Fish protein has given us best brain, which we have in abundance. Please, we should all come. It is for all of us. It is not for Akeredolu because it's from our work. Akeredolu is not Ilaje. Please let us come and discuss our development. Let's leave politics aside and let's discuss what will move us forward.
Àgbàlá jẹ́ mọ́mọ́ bínú bà mí.